Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Factorisation Worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet where we can practice doing some examples on factorisation, which is basically the reverse operation of removing brackets. If you're not sure what factorisation entails, we've had a lesson on this very topic, and all you need to do is go to the next slide, click on the link, and it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So let's see what's required. Factorise each of the following algebraic expressions. So here's our algebraic expression. This particular one has two terms. The lesson tells us that we need to find the HCF of 7k and 21. That's in this particular example. So whatever terms we've got in the expression, we need to find the HCF. That is, the largest term or number or letter or a combination which divides into both of these terms. So you have to find that, and then that HCF is placed outside the brackets, and then you have the remaining terms inside, such that when you do the multiplication, you end up with the original expression. Exactly the same here. Find the HCF of 16W and 24, place it outside the grouping symbols. The same here. Now we have an example like this in the lesson, and it gives you a clue what to do. Over here, KW and 8K, you can clearly see what the HCF is there. Place it outside the grouping symbol. Here, the HCF will be a combination of numbers and letters. So if you look carefully, you'll be able to find out what it is. And over here, again, a combination of numbers and letters for the HCF. Okay, over here we have three terms, and it's still the same principle. Put the HCF outside, and it's exactly the same for the remaining three examples. The most important thing is to find the HCF, that is the highest term that will divide into each and every term in the original algebraic expression. Put that outside the brackets and then work out what goes inside the brackets. So this video has given us a worksheet where we can practice factorising given algebraic expressions. And if you're not sure what to do, on the next slide, click on the link. It will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples.